Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the latest offering from Vivo in India, the Vivo V15. So Vivo V15 Pro was announced last month, and now we have the Vivo V15. It's slightly stripped down variant of the Vivo V15 Pro. Now this also comes with a 32 megapixel selfie camera. That's a pop-up selfie camera, and it also has a triple camera on the back panel, but there are some differences in terms of the configuration and other features as well. So we'll talk about all those things. So this device now retails in India for 23,990 and comes with quite good hardware as well. So this is powered by the MediaTek Helio P70 octa-core processor instead of the Snapdragon 675 on the V15 Pro. This also comes with 6GB RAM and 64GB internal storage. It also has the 6.53 inches full view full view display as well. So this is the box package. You can see the pop-up selfie camera, 32 megapixel camera, 6GB RAM, and on the back panel you get the detailed aspects: 32 megapixel pop-up selfie camera, triple rear camera, 6GB RAM, 4000 mAh capacity battery as well. So we have the Glamour Red variant of this device. So it also comes in blue variant, and this is priced 23,990 in India, and this will go on sale on 25th of March, and pre-orders are now available. So let's open the box package and see the device. So there you go. So let's just take this out. So opening up, you can see a small box here. So this comes with the case. So you can see that there is a really good case included. It's quite similar to what we've seen on the Vivo V15 Pro as well. So you can see that black sides and back is transparent, and you can also see the camera unit and the fingerprint scanner is included here. This does not come with the in-display fingerprint scanner. Instead it comes with the fingerprint scanner on the rear panel. Now you also get the SIM ejector pin and the manual and warranty. So, and in case you are interested in the SAR value, you can see the India SAR value is 1.18 and 0.48 is the body and head SAR. So that's the SAR value. Now let's take the device out. So there you go, that's the device. So you can see that the Vivo V15 in red. So this is the red variant. So let's just take this out. So there you go, that's the Glamour Red variant. You can see that it looks really nice, and you can see that it's a gradient color actually. Towards the top portion it's slightly on the black side, the bottom portion is more of red. So this is the Glamour Red variant, and you have the triple camera setup here. It's a 12 megapixel dual pixel camera primary, 8 megapixel secondary wide angle camera, and a 5 megapixel third camera is also included for depth sensing. So the 8 megapixel wide angle camera can take pictures in 120-degree wide angle shot. So that's the camera. It's an AI camera, and you also get the fingerprint scanner on the back panel. The bottom panel has the micro USB charging slot, the 3.5mm audio jack, and also the speaker unit. The left side houses the SIM tray. Right side has the power and volume keys. The top portion has the pop-up selfie camera. That's the unit. So let's just boot the device. In the meantime, let's see what else comes inside the box. So opening up the box, you can see it comes with the standard charger. So let's see the voltage rating of the charger. So you can see that it comes with 9 volt 2 ampere and 5 volt 2 ampere. So that's 18 watt fast charging is supported on this device. So that's the charger. Now you also get the standard micro USB charging and data syncing cable, and finally you also get there is an earphone included, which is quite good earphone for the price segment it is being offered. So that's all inside the box. Now let's have a look at the device. So there you go, that's the Vivo V15 with the pop-up selfie camera. So we'll just see the camera in action. So when you go to the selfie mode, you can see the camera in action. So we'll just take a closer look. So there you go, that's the camera. So now let's have a look at the software. So this device runs on the latest version of Android. It's Android 9.0, and we have the custom UI called the Fun Touch OS, which is the Vivo's custom UI. So we have the Fun Touch OS version 9.0, and let's go to the about phone one time. As you can see here, Android security patch is from Jan, and it is powered by 2.1 GHz AI octa-core processor, which is the Helio P70 chipset. Fun Touch OS 9.0, 6GB RAM, and we have the Android version as Android 9.0. So that's the UI, and you also get all the other features. You can see it's capture mode, a smart split screen, a smart motion, app clone, and one-handed UI. So all the features are available on this device as well. So that's the software aspect. Now let's have a look at the camera interface. So there you go, that's the camera interface. So it looks quite similar to what we have seen on the Vivo V15 as well. So nothing much changed in terms of the camera interface. You can see there's a wide angle mode and a portrait mode and all the bokeh mode. AI beauty mode is also included, AR stickers is included, then pro mode is also included, and these are the options. And let's go to the video recording. So here let's have a look at the settings. So maximum video recording is at 1080p resolution, and there is no 4K support. There is 720p and 480 also available. So here are some samples we have taken with the Vivo V15 after unboxing the device. We'll also talk about the camera in detail. So in that review we will talk about how good the performance is, and also we'll see how different it is from the Vivo V15 Pro. So that was the camera aspect of the Vivo V15. So the device also comes with a 4000 mAh capacity battery, which should be quite good enough for more than a day of battery life. It should get you almost like 1.5 days of battery life. So that's the battery, and it also comes with 18-watt fast charger. So that's the unboxing and hands-on with the Vivo V15. It looks really good in terms of the build quality. It is the red variant which we have right now. It's a triple camera setup and the red variant, and looks pretty good in terms of the design aspect. So that was unboxing and hands-on with the Vivo V15. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.